Voting in the 2023 harmonized elections began as per schedule in most parts of Chipinge South and Mutema Msikavan constituencies under Chipinge District. However, in some very remote parts of the constituencies, voting was delayed owing to the late arrival of voting material. Unlike the widely circulated reports of threats being issued to people to vote for a particular party, the situation in Mabe village here in Chipinge South constituency is peaceful as villagers are trooping in to cast their ballots for their preferred candidates. It is here at Mabe village where images that were edited and widely circulated about Frelimo cadres issuing threats to villagers to vote for the ruling ZANU-PF emerged. However, upon arrival in the village, it was evident that people are aware of their rights to vote for their preferred candidates, and more importantly, they did so in a peaceful environment.